Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specialized in cybersecurity and compliance. So for this week's malware and ransomware, customers are being breached from within. So the newest thing going on right now is that hackers are paying employees to steal from you. The US government charged the Russian hacker involved in an attempt to recruit a Tesla employee to install malware in the enterprise's network. Furthermore, a Russian national was arrested in the US for trying to convince an employee at a targeted company to deploy a piece of malware in exchange for $1 million. So these hackers have now gotten to your employees inside, and they are offering huge sums of money for them to breach you and allow the hackers in. Recently, a botnet attack on NCR Corporation could have possibly attempted to compromise and spread malware to the company's clients through Trojanized POS systems or ATM software updates. Just so you know, that NCR has a lot of software out there for ATM machines, not only banking machines, but also those that you find in grocery stores and convenience stores. Charming Kitten, the Iranian hacking group, is reportedly impersonating journalists on WhatsApp and LinkedIn to conduct highly targeted phishing attacks against the government, defense, military, and diplomacy sectors. Also, Mozilla researchers have discovered that users can be tracked online via browsing history, since it contains personal data of individuals and reveals insights about the user. A report also found that Russian-speaking hackers compromised the VPN authentication data of 38 large Japanese companies in the Pulse Secure VPN breach. Thank you and have a great day.